Okay, so today we are seeing some funny things which can happen when you sum some records. So I have a table called accounts where I have 6 records with some values. Let's see what happens when we sum these values. So I can write a simple statement, sum. You get back a value 2100 as the sum. Now let's say we want to sum the first 2 records. You might logically assume that you can just put a limit to, so it'll give you the first 2 records and you sum them, right? But amazingly, you're getting back the same result because MySQL is actually summing the whole table again. Now, why is that happening? Because the limit is handled at the end of all the when the query has been fired, which means in this case, what MySQL is going to do is it's going to select the sum of amount from accounts, get back 1 record with the value of 2100, then try to limit it to 2 records. Since it has only 1 record, it will give you back that record. So at no point is it going to reduce your original data to 2 records to count only the first 2 records. So if you wanted to achieve that, then then you would have to use a with query and you would have to upfront take only 2 records, like in this case. So in this case we said, hey, give me 2 records and then sum these records, in which case you'll get a lower value. Now this itself is also flawed because here you wanted to sum the first 2 records. Your assumption is select star from accounts limit 2 will give you the first 2 records. That's not true. If it gives you the first 2 records, it is just a coincidence. The MySQL does not guarantee any particular order of returning back records till you have explicitly defined an order by clause, which means that this may at some other point of time give you back a different value based on the way MySQL returned back the records. So if you want the first 2 records, right, we have ID, so you could have said order by ID, right? And this would still give you back the same data. But as I said, that is a coincidence and not a guaranteed way to work all the time. So whenever you want to limit something, you must have a order by clause.